Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and signing into the account you want to change. This ensures theme settings sync across devices. Once signed in, check which Outlook variant you're using: desktop app, Outlook for Mac, or Outlook on the web, because options differ. Make a quick backup of templates and quick steps so you can revert if needed. Now, with the correct app open and backup saved, move to the View or Settings area to begin applying design changes. You'll now change layout and visual details. Go to View or Settings General and choose a layout that fits your workflow: compact, single line, or preview. Then adjust the reading pane placement, message list density, and font sizes so content is readable at a glance. Next, pick a theme and toggle dark mode if preferred. Choose an accent color to highlight selected items. Once configured, make sure to test by opening different folders and composing a new message to verify spacing and font choices. Finish by saving and syncing your settings so the design applies across devices. Then restart Outlook or refresh the web session to force updates. If the layout looks broken, reset the view or revert to the previous theme immediately to restore functionality. If visuals still fail to apply, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, or update Outlook to the latest build. If problems persist, check add-ins, disable them temporarily, because an extension can override or block appearance changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.